Today, I'll show you how ordinary people can become millionaires through rental property investing. You don't need to start rich. Real estate can slowly build massive wealth over time. A rental property is simple. You buy a house, duplex, or apartment and rent it out. What makes rentals powerful are the 4 wealth generators working together. Number 1 is cash flow. That's the profit left every month after expenses. Cash flow means income minus expenses equals money in your pocket. Number 2 is appreciation. Real estate values tend to rise over time. Prices may drop sometimes, but historically they climb if you hold long enough.
Number 3 is loan paydown. Your mortgage gets smaller every month.
Your tenants help pay off the loan while you build ownership.
Number 4 is tax benefits. Real estate investors often keep far more of their money.
When these 4 wealth generators work together, wealth grows fast.
Let's say you buy your first rental property for $100,000.
You put 20% down, or $20,000.
The remaining $80,000 comes from a mortgage loan.
Now the property makes $200 a month in cash flow. That equals $2,400 per year in profit. Meanwhile, your loan balance keeps dropping as tenants pay rent.
At the same time, the property appreciates about 3%.
Together, you added about $600-900 to your net worth.
And that's only after one single year.
Over time, the property value rises while the loan balance falls.
That growing gap is called equity, and equity is wealth.
After 10 years, the property might be worth $130,000.
With only $60,000 owed, you now have $70,000 in equity.
And don't forget the $24,000 earned in cash flow. That one small property created nearly $94,000 in wealth.
But here's the secret. Once you learn one deal, you can repeat the process. You can scale from small houses to larger apartment buildings using the same principles. There are many creative ways to finance deals besides saving huge down payments. You can even hire property managers so you don't handle every problem yourself. If the market drops, cash-flowing rentals let you survive and even buy more deals cheaper. You can become a millionaire through real estate by buying cash-flowing rentals and holding them long-term.